Welcome to the first lesson of the Sales Boost course. In this lesson we will prepare everything for the Sales Boost installing. This is a quite complicated technology and it needs a careful preparation. So what do you need to start setting up the Sales Boost? First, from 100 to 200 units at least of your product on Amazon. During the Sales Boost, you will give away about 50-70 units for just $1. And after the Sales Boost is finished, you should have enough units to continue selling organically. Second, you have to have about $120-150 for an advertising on Facebook. You need your Facebook account and some credit card attached to it. During the Sales Boost, you'll spend about $140 on advertising. You also need to create accounts on several resources, namely imz.one, salesbacker.com, sendgrid.com, and on Facebook, of course. The last thing you need is a website. It's a thing that you probably don't have and have never had. To get a website is really easy. We'll use website created on a WordPress platform, the most popular CMS in the world. So, first thing you have to get is your domain name and hosting. Domain name is the name of your website and hosting is the place where your site will be installed. You can easily get those things on GoDaddy.com. After you have domain and hosting, you need a WordPress template for your website. You can download it from the official website wordpress.org. You also will need a theme for this template. We recommend using Jupyter theme, but you can use any other theme. In this course, we'll use Jupyter theme, so if you choose another theme, some options in settings might be in other places, at the admin dashboard of your website. Good video lessons how to install WordPress and Jupyter theme you can find in the txt file named links in download section of this lesson, but you can also easily find any other tutorial. For easy setting of Sales Boost, you will need a plugin like this. Thrive Content Builder for this purpose is the best, by my opinion. This plugin and all other plugins you can easily install in the section Plugins in your admin dashboard of your website. You just have to click on Add a Plugin button and upload it. You will also need a My Mail plugin. You can download it from the official website. This plugin will help you to collect emails of your customers. This SendGrid registration plugin will use your SendGrid account to send emails to your customers with reminders to complete a purchase. Also, this plugin will help you to precisely track all sent emails. So let's summarize. What will you need to prepare for setting up the Sales Boost? Domain name, web hosting, WordPress 4.6 or later, Jupyter theme, Thrive Content Builder plugin, My Mail plugin, My Mail SendGrid integration plugin. If you have all of it, you can go to the second lesson, where we will actually start the real work. See you in the next lesson.